In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Sites as a student. Google Sites is a fantastic tool offered by Google to help you create websites easily and effectively. It's particularly useful in an educational setting, allowing you to organize your academic portfolios or collaborative projects seamlessly. Today we'll walk through how you can set up your very own student portfolio using Google Sites. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Sites. Simply open your web browser and type in sites.google.com. This will take you directly to the main page of Google Sites, where you'll see options for creating your site. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll be prompted to sign in. Just use your school or personal account credentials and you're good to go. Once you're on the Google Sites homepage, you'll see a button labeled Template Gallery at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on it. Google provides a variety of templates that are designed to cater to different needs. Exploring these templates is a great way to see the range of possibilities, whether you're looking to showcase your work, set up a project page, or create a personal portfolio. As you're browsing through the templates, take a moment to click on the one titled Student Portfolio. This template is especially designed for students, offering a structured layout that is both visually appealing and easy to customize. It's perfect for showcasing your academic work, projects, and achievements. By selecting this template, you're setting a foundation that you can build upon, tailoring it to fit your specific needs and preferences. Now comes the fun part, customizing your template. This is where you can truly make the site your own. Click on any section of the template you'd like to modify. You can add personal details such as your name, contact information, and a personal statement. Additionally, feel free to incorporate sections for class projects, extracurricular activities, or even a blog. The cool thing about Google Sites is that it allows you to integrate multimedia elements. You can upload images, add videos, or even embed external links to enhance your portfolio. The editing tools are intuitive. You can adjust text, change images, and rearrange sections simply by clicking. Don't hesitate to experiment with different font styles, color schemes, and layouts to find what suits you best. Once you're satisfied with your changes, remember to hit Publish. This will make your site live and accessible. You'll also have the option to share your site with classmates, teachers, or potential employers by simply copying your site's link and sending it out. And there you have it, a personalized student portfolio crafted with Google Sites. It's an incredibly useful and versatile platform that can greatly aid in organizing and presenting your academic journey. Thanks for joining me today and happy site building.